Phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics. Hello, I'm the phonics tree. Can you guess today's letter?
What are we learning?
Say these with me. Sauce.
Sauce.
Pause.
Pause.
Launch.
Launch.
Haunted.
Haunted.
Author.
Author.
August.
August.
Did you guess the sound? Oh!
Now we are learning
It's time to read.
Are you ready to read? Hello, I'm a little grizzly. Want to read with me? Let's read the O sound. August. August. Aunt. Hunt. Sauce. Sauce. Oz. Pause. Lunch. Lunch. Author. Author. Wow, you read the all words.
It's time to write.
Hi everyone, get those pencils ready. It's time to write. Welcome to the Writing Center. Trace with your magic writing finger. Or pause and write the words with your pencil. Hall. Fault. Sauce. Hunt. Gaunt. Woohoo! Well done writing in the Writing Center.
It's time to find.
Step into the deep dark wood. See what sounds you can find. Which one has today's sound? Do, vault, honey. Can you hear the O sound? Vault. Toad, haunted, money. Can you hear the O sound? Haunted. Barley, photocopy, sauce. Can you hear the O sound? Sauce. Wow, well done finding all the O pictures.
It's time to sing.
I'm ready for a sing-along. Whee! Try to keep up, I'm fast. Listen to the O sound. August haunted in tomato sauce and press pause. It's in rocket launch and in author. Author. Lunch. Pause. Tomato sauce. Haunted. August. Hello, I'm very impressed. You've learned the sound very well, haven't you?
Yeah, I know the sounds.
Say these with me. Sauce. Pause. Lunch. Hunted. Author. August. Well done with your O sound.
You're clever. Well done.
Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.